again, and today we're not playing this race. And why am I took so long to don't upload? So that's why I don't took so long, because I've been signing up my Google account to my PC account, and finally I uploaded. And not my voice, it's so low today because it's night to us. And see you soon. I uploaded some videos on my channel, and tomorrow I will upload it because I record at Roblox Dead Race. So goodbye, and also we defeat Tesla, and goodbye.